Hello everyone, I'm Half Captain. Welcome to this intelligent driving show. Enjoy! We are using ZEEKR Haohan H7 ASD version OS 6.7. We are currently in the old town of Haohan district now. Traffic is very complex here. Look at pedestrians standing in the middle, they do not move for cars. And with many parked cars, we must sometimes use the opposite lane, meaning we have to negotiate with oncoming traffic. C plus intersections and cars. Wow! As this tests how well 6.7 handles such a complicated road scenario. But you can see this short stretch is already complex enough. Yet it handles everything with total ease. Now finishing the left turn. This is an unprotected T-junction, with many vehicles turning left and making U-turns here. Look, these electric scooters are driving the wrong way, and pedestrians are crossing the road. Okay, ahead is an unprotected T-shaped intersection. See the pedestrians crossing, look. The reaction is very timely. Why? Because a black car just passed, blocking the view of that pedestrian. Pedestrian was crossing quickly, which made me feel quite worried, but the car reacted very promptly, immediately slowing down and stopping to yield to that pedestrian. And this is a roundabout currently under construction. These painted lines are only temporary and not very clear. You honestly cannot even see the inner lanes from this view here. So it predicts the lanes first, as there are cars inside the roundabout. We must yield to them. He's doing that. No problem.
Okay, moving on.
Then entering safely. I am exiting from the second exit, very shortly. And my right turn signal is already on for this exit. The entire journey flows seamlessly without any jarring brakes, annoying jams, or frustrating stop-and-go traffic, making it feel truly relaxed.